Hi there, John here from Sales Desk. Unless you've been living under a rock, you will have heard about agentic AI. We believe that AI has a huge part to play within sales technology and sales process. However, we're not convinced that AI is yet going to replace human sellers and human buyers when it comes to high touch collaborative selling. That's because you have to build a rapport, you have to build a relationship with your buyer before they're willing to make that leap and buy something from you. So what we've done with Sales Desk is to bring the sellers and the buyers together in one unified platform. And then we automate everything else we can with agentic AI. A large percentage of a salesperson's time is taken up with admin, and that's where Milo comes in. Milo is your AI agent that works in the background to automate as much as possible. Let me introduce you to Milo. In this section of the platform, you can customize Milo and let him know what you want to do and not do. Below here, you'll see a list of toggles. And what these do is allow you to control exactly what Milo's doing in the background. So to give you one example, it might, for example, be enabled to send out meeting summary emails with proposed next steps at the end of every call. Another thing you can configure Milo to do is automatically listen to those video calls with customers, create tasks, assign them, and put them in the workspace. We're adding new capabilities all the time, so Milo will become more and more powerful and more useful as the platform grows and as the dataset grows. If you want to see what Milo's been doing in the platform, you can click on Milo's activity. And you can see here a list of what exactly Milo's been doing. And you can see there are lots of things that Milo's been doing here, from encoding video, extracting various data from video files, analyzing transcripts, updating, cleaning up files. So everything that Milo does is tracked and logged inside this single area for your agentic AI agent. Milo behaves like any other human user in the system. That means you can track across the system exactly what Milo's been doing. So I have a saved search here, which is show me all leads created by Milo. And the reason that works is because I've gone to a search filter here and said, show me every lead that's created by Milo. And of course, if I roll over Milo, rather than showing information about the human person, I have a link back to Milo's agent settings area, so I can change Milo's behavior at any point in time. Let's quickly look at another example. So here I'm looking at a recorded video file from a video call that was hosted inside Sales Desk. If I click history now and choose a user, I can see all the things that Milo has done specifically. So you can see that Milo's taken on the responsibility for processing media, transcribing that media, and you can see here that Milo's created the meeting minutes document that it's transcribed across from the spoken word. So again, Milo is just like any other user, and you can track exactly what Milo's been doing. And it's quite interesting. You can actually see quite clearly how much time Milo's saving by automating all of these processes agentically. And again, we're adding more features to Milo all the time to make it more and more powerful. Let me show you one more example of how Milo works in the background to cleverly automate as much as possible. This is an email that's been sent to all participants in a recent meeting on Sales Desk. You'll see we've used agentic AI to summarize everything that was discussed, the top topics, and proposed next steps. Milo's also created and allocated tasks so you can track those in the customer's workspace. Below that, Milo's created a link to the meeting recording and also to the meeting minutes document. I just clicked on that link in the email and it's taken me through the meeting minutes in a Sales Desk doc that Milo's actually created dynamically. So there's no need to write up those meeting minutes. Not only do those meeting minutes get emailed to all the participants, it creates a meeting minutes document inside Sales Desk and it links it to the relevant workspace. And of course, from here, you can go into those meeting minutes. And if you want to, you can add comments and you can edit that afterwards, like so. And the great thing about Milo creating minutes inside the platform is all of those minutes become indexed and searchable. So again, loads of that admin is removed. You can focus on re-engaging with your customers and building strong relationships and closing deals and leaving all the admin for Milo.